Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the data and choosing a delivery path. Save a clean, XLSX or export to CSV so columns are predictable. If you prefer live edits, upload to Google Sheets and enable its API. Otherwise, plan a static hosted file or build an API. Once done, collect FTP/SFTP credentials or your web app's endpoint and any API key. Make sure column names are consistent. This reduces mapping work later and prevents runtime errors when the site requests fields. You now implement the middle layer that converts spreadsheet rows into web-ready JSON. On your server, use a library, pandas/OpenPixel for Python, Excelj for Node, to read the file, or call the Google Sheets API for live data. Transform rows to structured JSON, add pagination and caching to avoid heavy loads, and validate types to prevent malformed responses. Also configure CORS and require an API key so the site can safely fetch data without exposing your backend or exceeding request limits. You finish by integrating the JSON into the website and verifying behavior. Use Fetch or AJAX to request the endpoint, parse the payload, and render rows into the DOM or your template engine. Update UI components on data changes. Add graceful loading states and clear error handlers so users see meaningful messages if something fails. Finally, test with large datasets, invalid cells, and expired keys. If data doesn't appear, check Browser Console for CORS or 401 errors. Then confirm endpoint URL.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.